Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, in my previous video I have showed you how to use the average function to get the result as the average of top 3 scores only. And in today's video we are going to learn how to use the Averageifs function where we will use multiple criteria to get the average value in a datasheet. Friends, after the video ends, please check the description box. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video, and check the playlist into my channel. There you will find some interesting and helpful playlist that will lead you to the way to learn easily. To learn about this formula, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. And friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a data file like this and you have to average the numbers based on multiple criteria. You can use the Averageifs function here. In this example shown, we are going to check the average of multiple criteria. Like one criteria will be this region one, which covers in column C, and another criteria which contains here that will covers up in column B. So the formula will be written in this. Look at here carefully friends. The formula will be like this: equals to Averageif. We are going to use the Averageifs because we have multiple criterias. Then open the first bracket. After that you have to select that average range here. In this case the average range will be the cell range, so I am selecting this with my cursor, then put a comma here. Then it is asking for criteria range 1 and my criteria 1 will be this one, so the criteria range 1 will be from B column. After that put a comma here again. Then it is asking for criteria 1. You can simply type the criteria here like this in double quotation, or select the cell reference number where the criteria has been included. Then put a comma here. Again it is asking for a criteria range. Now in this case the criteria range will be column C. Select that data range, then put a comma here and select the criteria 2. In my case the criteria 2 will be this. Again you can type the criteria 2 in double quotation. After that close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing result without any errors. And if you copy the formula from upside down, the formula will be applied to every cell range here, and you will get the average of group A and region wise average. So let's check how this formula actually works. Like the countifs and SUMIFs function, the Averageifs function is designed to handle multiple criteria which are entered in range and criteria pairs. As long as this information is supplied correctly, the behavior of Averageifs is fully automatic. In this example shown, we have a group of values in column F and region values in column G. We use these values directly by using cell references for criteria. The first argument is this one, that is the cell group. To restrict calculation by group, we provide the group, that is this one, and the region wise, that is mentioned in this column number C. So I hope now you can use the Averageifs function easily in your daily work life. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you liked this video and learned a new trick of Averageifs function today. Please share this video with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel and stay tuned.